little more super friendly with each other now. Good. Okay. Oh, there's one that missed a show.
Oh wow.
See that doesn't roll?
Oh.
You know why?
It's magnetic.
Got the same problem as trying to run around that race in there too. I don't know why these things are all magnetic. Now you get going pretty heavy with it. Oh, it rolls now, see? Almost like it's supposed to. Okay, so there's supposed to be a washer in there. Thought there's supposed to be a washer in here.
Yeah, I don't know. It's a big part of the problem.
This is 41 liter tran, ain't it? Yeah, 3-bolt.
Yeah.
Even the 39s still had them in there. Okay, yep, got the little gear washers in there. That in there. Second gear has a washer provision right there. So you want to put a little oil in there to keep it from falling out, because if it drops down on you, sticks, doesn't help you.
Mm.
I'm sure that would never happen, right? More than once. So you can use grease too. I just use assembly lubes because it's enough to do what I need to do. It's not even magnetic or anything either. Let's see, that looks good. We have some miles on it, but it's still usable. Pretty sure it's supposed to be a washer here, because without a washer, the bushing is going to wear on this edge where it's not supposed to be wearing, see? That's on the wrong side, but same thing, it's undercut. Pretty sure it's supposed to be a washer in there. I'm like 99.9999% sure it's supposed to be washed.
Not 100%.
Not quite 100%, but I'm pretty close. The other thing is you put this in there, if you don't have a lot of clearance in here between a dog, like you, pretty sure it's supposed to be a washer in there. Now I'm 100% sure, because that's even close for my race bike. So either they made this shit too wrong, or it needs a washer in there. Okay, so we need a washer. You didn't bring a washer in. Okay, so we need one there. There's also supposed to be a washer on the outside of your roller rod here, which I don't see you having either. Do you have that one?
I must have missed a bag.
No, it's two different bags there.
Two different bags.
Yeah. That's not supposed to be dragging like that. See how hard it is?
Mm-hmm.
That is a lot of drag. You rotate that, you can feel it.
What's causing that problem?
I don't know yet. Feel it?
I do.
Yeah, that ain't supposed to be there.
That's not good at all.
No, that's bad. We can't show that on video, but it's not supposed to be dragging like that. Yeah, you can feel it. Alright, so something is not happy. I'm assuming the bushing's tight, would be my guess, but yeah, it's not a lot of. It feels like it has clearance, but I bet you there's a tight spot in there. I bet you it's not round.
Yeah, it doesn't look good.
You look at the wear mark on the bushing, see it in there?
Yep.
So I'm pretty sure that's not round. So that's a quick fix. Just put on the hone and make it round. And it looks like the shaft is maybe not round either. See the high spot, low spot, high spot, low spot.
Yeah, that's the new one.
That should be all the way around round.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, you know, but these are quality pieces.
I know.
You get, it is what it is. It's not even what you pay for anymore. It's just, it is what it is.
Yeah.
If it's good stuff, you get have a Harley of one. Feel a little bit on the mic when I'm rotating it. I'm only getting a little bit of difference, maybe a couple tenths at most, but it's not. If the highs and lows are opposite each other, you won't measure it. It's like a wave going around, but it's there, but you can't measure it. I think that's kind of what's going on with those here, would be my guess. So this needs to be worked over a little bit too. Okay, so we got to hone this one. We gotta hone this one. We didn't check this one. So this has the same problem. So we got to hone this one. That means this one here is going to come out. Okay, so we got to hone. How about this little one? See, that's got adequate looseness. It's not a problem. See, tight hurts, loose doesn't hurt you too much. And I don't see an uneven mark over here, but there's not really much marks there because it hasn't been used much. But you can definitely see the highness, the high lows in the shaft here. Now, how's the other side feeling here? Now, where's the washer? There's not even a washer on this thing. Oh, there it is. Fill down the hole. Pick go, I just had out. Pretty thin. That is not loose, or not tight, I mean. Until you get right in there. Oh, that's where the spring is. Yeah, that is not a tight bushing. Okay, we know that's not the problem. Oh, maybe your rubber came out. Yeah, we'll leave that out for now. See, that puts drag on everything also.
Mm-hmm. So you can leave that out when you...
I'm leaving it out now because I can't feel in play with it in there.
Got it.
And see, you still got the spring in there even without the rubber on there. See, it's still bottomed out in it. So that's where a lot of your tension was at.
Mm-hmm.
So we gotta get that thing apart so I can actually check things.
Go, you gotta pull that one out too.
So there two rubber stacked in there because it's got a lot of tension on it right now. And that's probably a lot of the problem we have is just bound solid. Among everything else. So how many problems we got already so far?
What's that?
How many problems we have so far?
Shoot, 4 or 5.
Lost count, yeah.
I don't know. Count.
This is torn?
Yes, John. Sure.
That doesn't count.
Oh, it doesn't count?
Oil's over here, not over here. If you got oil over here, it leaks anyway.
Oh, okay.
Looks like you cut out a piece of paper, but it's got a name on it. It says high quality on it, so you know it's good. Now, what's going on this side over here? Looks like that got replaced too. How tight is that one? And where's the rubber? The rubber wasn't in there. The rubber goes in there, see?
Oh. It's in the bag.
Yeah, well, that wasn't causing a problem because
No,
it
you're right.
wasn't in there.
Yeah.
The bushing's a little loose, so it's fine. It's not very round or even. Looks like it cut out with a dull pocket knife, but that'll work. And your high gear bushing area in here. It's not pitted, so it's decent. Hopefully it's halfway around. Can't feel much wrong with it, so it's good enough for now. Okay, so this guy here comes out. That's not binding, obviously. I'm assuming there's a washer in there. Yep. Okay, looks like this one has all the washers on it. I'm going to leave this out for now. We'll keep it for later, just in case we need it. That didn't fall out yet, so that's okay.
That's a first.
Just take all this crap off of here so I can work with it. Okay, that rotates. You got the seal in there, so you got some drag on it, but it's definitely not tight. See how it's moving so much?
Yeah.
That's oil grease. That's grease drag because I'm on the seal now. It's still tight. Get some thick grease in there. Alright. Okay. I'm gonna get that stuff off so I got access to it. Now, the other problem is I got all this junk in here. Let's get the snap ring into the stock. Let's see if that'll come out half easy. I'll use a new pliers, they got sharper edges on them. Maybe it'll actually pop out without being a major problem. Look at that. Came out nice. It's down there when you need it. Nice and free, it comes right out, see? Oh, let's see. I think it's about this size right here. What do you think?
That looks good.
Yep, that's the one. Doesn't appear to want to come out though. Part of it came out. They're pretty good. Original kit.
Yeah.
Old rubber. Appears to be free. One to put that. And another part. Here's your spring. Here's your cup. What's missing?
What?
The rubber that went back here further. The big black rubber. It went back in there. Alright, we'll have to find that piece. I think there's a piece of rubber in there, wasn't there, or is it just the steel's in there that tight? I forget. Did you have two rubbers or one rubber?
Oh, I think there was two. Yeah.
That's what I thought. I thought one more piece was back there somewhere.
It should be another kit.
We'll have to clear all this crap out here to find it. Okay, I'm going to go upstairs and find some parts. We'll be back.
Alright.